Lesson 1, what this course will cover. Hello and welcome. This mini course is designed to help safety leaders, just like you, confidently select and implement health and safety software. For many organisations, safety systems have grown over time. Spreadsheets, paper forms, email trails, and even digital tools like Microsoft Forms, they all do a job but don't quite work together. And when the time comes to move to something which is more modern and better suited to your needs, it can feel daunting. Maybe you've never bought software before, or maybe you have, but you're not sure how to make the case for it internally. You might not even know what good looks like or where to start. That's exactly what this course is here to help with. We'll guide you step by step, from understanding what you need to finding the right solution, building internal buy-in, and rolling it out in a way that actually engages your team. Across 5 modules and 12 short lessons, we'll walk through common challenges, offer practical tips, and help you feel confident, not just in choosing the right software, but in making it stick. You'll hear from different members of our team, each sharing insights that come from working with hundreds of organisations going through the same journey. So, whether you're replacing an outdated system or digitising for the first time, we've got you covered. Let's get started.